Tanong, what's your song of the moment? Yung lagi niyong pinakikinggan.
Lagi.
Totoo? What's the most delulu comment or post that you've read about you guys?
Ang dami eh. Siguro like 80-90%.
Ang taong kahit ano na makakapagpasaya sa'yo, parang yun talaga yung paniniwalaan mo. So,
Ang nakakatawa pa, galing akong Bali. People think that you guys came from Bali too.
invite mo ba kami dun?
Parang ang sabi kasi doon nila, bakit daw wala si Kim sa Showtime? During the birthday week mo daw. Ganun.
Sibuha ka na, sibuha ka.
Oo, ganun talaga sila what do you call that? Fan, excited, kakilig over you guys. Is that a good thing?
Anything that makes them happy, ayos lang.
Right.
Pero yun na nga, fact check din minsan ng
Correct.
konting-konti.